Alright, argument a go on. Round us up. Alright,
Go on, Unstoppable family. So you don't know, so today we have a few topics to cover in this one video. Beenie Man at war, Elephant Man claps back, Spice still firing shots at VP Records, and Dancehall being played in the church. Plus a little extra bonus. Yo, Top Shottas 2, the movie is in the making.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Before we go any further, I have to say thank you to you, the viewer that has been supporting this channel since its very first inception. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that every single time when we upload a video, you get that alert first. So moving into the topic, Beenie Man and Elephant Man is going at it, people. Yes, Beenie and Elephant Man is going at it after Beenie Man released a song entitled Our Grung. And in Beenie Man's song Our Grung, he has a line in it that says, from ding dong starts in the dancing song, them elephant can't find none.
Vibe cartel lock down the street from prison. Whoops, put your band and fly down. Come on, run to the killer gun. Godzilla first boss and second to none. From ding dong starts in the dancing song, them elephant don't find none.
From ding dong starts in the dancing song, them elephant can't find none. Yo, some Elephant Man hear that line there, and Elephant Man decides I'm gonna clap back with this.
Me some boy yap yap laba laba and ta.
So people, more want to get the pun that was actually intended in that line there in an Elephant Man song, where him say me hear some boy a chat and a laba laba and a ta.
You think Kali could be shoot me make ding dong them dancer?
So right, they say you can't hear where him respond to Beenie Man, where him say, yo, from ding dong starts in the dancing song, them elephant can't find none. The man say, yo, you feel a little bit of shoes, me make ding dong them dancer.
Suppose me fi talk. Me not talk. You think I true me can't talk? Me not talk. I true me no want talk. Me not talk. Me have to start laugh. The truth I go hurt them if me start talk. Me not talk. Say them say you kill me Sawaki.
Me not nothing to say about that part.
Me not talk. You no remember? You forgot it? Me not talk. Angel draws a who was she? A true Elephant Man don't chatty me not talk. Drunk or a pick out you natty but me not talk. Say the rough love beef party.
Yes, people. So Ellie come and talk up a bunch of things and say him not talk, but actually him a talk. So after that, Beenie decides him gonna clap back with that one here.
Man a bad man, me no Flintstone. Me no pickaxe stick, me no brock bound. Where them the when man a walk through town. Me no Jazz Flash and Tony Brown. Rifle a rev like how they chuck them sound. Nuff king rise and we take them crown. Nuff boys see we and a fi chill them frown. Desert Tigre, some black, some crown.
So in the caption of this one, Beenie Man write, somebody tag Ellie and tell him to leave it cause my war him not need it. But to me, I feel like that song kinda weak, it not really have the war vibe. You see what I say? I feel like Ellie song kinda go harder. What do you think? Listen to the rest and comment and tell me if you feel Ellie song did go harder than Beenie Man answer.
9X how they glock them sound. Real killers down par with clown. Big up Jatty and the great Jim Brown. Great Willie I got should still be around. And no foot man a step and look for the drown. Gunshot tsunami, the whole city drown. Nobody no safe Scotia couldn't be found. Let's get back to what.
Me not gonna lie, me like this song, me like how it does a flow nice and smooth and steady. And him a big up some real dance from back in the past and thing and some legendary dance. You see? But make him grow into the chorus and I go hear with the chorus. So the man I say, tell them fi leave it. You see me I say, but me still want to tell me what to think about the song in the comment section. If you don't feel like Ellie, I go harder or Beenie, I go harder in the lyrical clash.
No.
Leave it. Yeah. My war, you don't need it.
Yeah.
All who can't hear, I go feel it.
Yeah.
Make one phone call, you receive it.
Oh, tell them to leave it.
Yeah.
My war, you don't need it. All who can't hear, I go feel it.
Yeah.
Make one phone call, you receive it. Big gun.
Anyway, so I'm done with Beenie, I'm done with Ellie. Moving right along into the next topic. The mother of dancehall, the mother of controversy, the queen of dancehall, the queen of controversy. Spice is, you don't know, say, she always gonna be the talk of the town. So, you don't know from a long time Spice has say VP Records now put out her album. She not get no album from VP and she signed with them for how much years. So, she recently went on an interview again where she was actually still talking about VP and I said, boy, she don't know what them a do, why them no want to drop our album. Here what Spice say again.
It's Ebro in the morning, Laura Styles on assignment, Rosenberg's here, we got Spice on the program. Yeah. We've been hanging out talking about her VP Records drama. Yo, VP Records, man. Y'all gotta straighten this out. We need answers. Why won't you put out a Spice album? She just dropped 19 songs. This is problematic.
It's real.
Well, it's a bad look for a label that's, you know, had controversial moments with artists, in Jamaican music history and dancehall specifically. Done some great things, but it's a bad look with a woman on a label trying to put out her music and y'all won't come to terms. What are you saying this saying?
I mean, it's crazy. I'm not getting no answers. I don't know why. I'm on top of my game. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Maybe you need to call them and ask them and find
Chin,
out
what's going on, Mr. Chin?
Because I keep wanting to put up this album. My fans want the album. I mean, Chapter is #1 on the Billboard. It's doing good. I'm not sure why.
So all Spice fans, who don't feel like a time for we the fans actually start, get at VP Records and say, "Ewa, a full time wanna give the artist an album, you know, because she, look how much years, a full time now." Anyway, on to the next topic.
Before the year is out, I am a hitman for the Holy Ghost. You better back this up when I say we was in the church. Them things say they is the general. They think they can pray. But live by living our prayer rules and be the fuck you now.
So, viewers, I don't know what to think about that one day. It is a church in the Bahamas where them a play dancehall in the church. You hear it from yourself a while ago. Yes, dancehall in the church. Now, I mean, me personally, I have no opinion about it. I don't have either yeah or nay if it's about it. But what you think, you understand, is that taking it a little bit too far? Comment in the comment section and talk to me, because to some people them say it's alright and to others them say no. There's a limit. You understand? So dancehall at the church, no dancehall at the church. Comment, talk to me, make me know what you think.
I feel like you all disrespect me too, you know. I know what I'm to. Why left your place, Win.
Yes, people may excited, and you must excited too if you did love Top Shottas. Yo, one of the best movies that ever come out of Jamaica was Top Shottas, and I enjoyed it. So guess what now? They might get a part 2. Yes, I know so it has been long overdue. So here one now, Wayne, yes, Sprague Benz, yes, Sprague play Wayne in the movie. Him announced on him Instagram feed that here Top Shottas part 2 is in the making. The man say, yo, him have over 57 something page for read. Cause, yo, it's in the making. That's all him give it, not much. But, yo, we look forward to the movie because this is going to be epic. Yes, I mean, I said Top Shottas 1 was crazy. Me can just imagine how good 2 are going to be. Yo, stay tuned for it. Because as soon as it drop, me are going to come give you the update again.
Say, honey, you are my shining star. Don't you go away. Oh, baby, yeah, I wanna be right there where you are until the dying days. Yeah, baby.
So one of the most talented entertainers from out of the Portmore Empire are the Gaza, Ja Vinci. When you hear the voice of the man have, so the man just did a bust off some notes. And I say, you know what, let me bring it to the fans, make you hear the man, you know, because yo, no found the need to remember Ja Vinci, you know. The man have a very good voice, the man talented. You see what I say, we need to remember some of them good artists here and don't just throw them to the back and forget about them. Yo, so anyway, listen, me don't know what go on, but people, why is it that whenever Chuck turn over in a Jamaican people always bomb rush the Chuck and anything they pan it, them grab it. So me I go show you what go on right here, so see it?
Oh, we can't go look at it? We can't go look. What's the way to
So apparently a truck traveling with Beer live fall. Me not really get the details on where exactly in Jamaica it happened, but the truck turn over and trust me, Christmas come early for them Jamaican. You can them go bomb rush the truck and you want to see people like grab chicken. Yo, people are like, yo, all the police car park up, they don't know, yo, it's like the police I say, yo, no get one, you can't get here, man, come in and stop on. Yo, viewers, subscribers, yo, you don't know the thing already. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Comment in the comment section, because once it makes sense, Unstoppable TV will read it and respond to you. Yes, what I say. And guess what? It's Unstoppable TV. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm out. Until next time, we will link up. See it?
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.